My name is Chandan Mehta and I'm based in Toronto, Canada. I had this issue as I was in my middle age that I had mobile teeth. It started with actually a small accident in my young age, and that probably caused a lot of issues as well. So I reached out to my friend in London, who was a dentist, and he recommended that I meet Dr. Sally and Dr. Rahul in Thane for a full dental implant set. So I met them, but prior to that, I did my online research and also read some reviews. I, of course, had my friend's recommendation, and post my meeting with them, it was smooth sailing all along. What they recommended, the course of action, was in line with what I was rating is the latest out there. And so I was really happy with the feedback I got. Thereafter, we moved to surgery with implants. They did the best they could. More importantly, they also have all the latest equipment and diagnostic equipment that was needed to ensure that I get absolute optimum implants placed. Thereafter, we moved to final set of implants. So it happened in 2 phases since I don't live here, and I had to travel for the 2 phases. But it was all very smoothly and professionally done, and I'm really happy with the service I got. Thanks a lot.